saving lost sailors at sea. We admire their intelligence and sensitive nature. We love their smile. Join us today as we celebrate the most amazing creatures of the sea, the whales and dolphins of ocean adventure.
Hindi ko kita.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Trainer Abby, and welcome to Dolphin Trends. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of dolphins and whales. Here at Ocean Adventure, we have 11 individuals and 4 different species. As you've seen already, our Valunos dolphins are quick, agile, strong, and graceful. So, why don't we meet them one at a time? Starting off with the youngest female dolphin, and her name is Kira. Coming up next, we have the youngest male dolphin, and his name is Zach. Last but certainly not the least, another male dolphin introducing himself with a lovely flip. This is Loki. And our trainers for today are Mikey, Em, Rex, and Benji. And of course, we have the animal trainer participants, and their names are William and Frank. And of course, we're going to meet the rest of the dolphins in just a short while. Now, our friends are Valunos dolphins, also known as shipping kittens. They are very friendly animals, and right now, they would like to welcome you with their friendly wave hello. Wave up, guys. They sure did have that.
Ganda. Makikita natin sa taas,
Dolphins
no?
are not fish. Are they? That's right. They are warm-blooded air-breathing mammals just like you and I. But how can we tell? Well, let's take a look. First is the tail fluke. That's the main motor that powers themselves through the water. And that tail flukes move up and down, back side to side like a fish. Show them how it works, guys.
Ay, nako.
Very nice. And we know that our marine mammal friends breathe air, but how do they do it? Well, they use their blowhole on top of their head. Now listen. Hear those big breaths? Now the blowhole is conveniently located so they don't have to lift their heads out of the water to breathe. It has a lid that opens and closes so the water gets inside. They also use the blowhole to talk, making a variety of sounds like clicks, squeaks, squawks, and also whistles.
Hoy, baka
Now check this
malaglag.
out.
Delikado, iniwan ng matanda eh. Ang ingay, ang kulit eh.
Wow, what a lovely song from the sea. Did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistle? Just like our names, that's different from anyone else's. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's take a look at those fins. Now those two fins sticking on either side of their bodies, what you call the pectoral fins. That's what they use to steer themselves through the water. Moving on their back is what you call the dorsal fin. That's what they use to stabilize themselves, a lot like a keel on the boat. Since we talk about their body features, let's put those fins into action and demonstrate some of their natural behavior. First, Zach and Kira are going to demonstrate the behavior called the high bow. Now sometimes dolphins need to jump high in the air to help them see from long distance. So why do we humans design our ships and airplanes after a dolphin's body? Well, because they are streamlined and built for speed. They can dive a depth as 1,000 feet, hold their breath up to 12 minutes, and they can swim as fast as 40 kilometers per hour. Are you ready, dolphins? And here!
40 kilometers. Bilis ah.
Wow, they're shooting fast. How about a nice round of applause for Sam, Loki, and Kira? Now there's a little secret that I would like to share with you. Did you know that dolphins can walk on water?
Yes.
No? How about those guys at the beach area? Do you think they can walk on water? Yes. Well, actually they can. Right, dolphins?
No,
What?
kulit eh.
What do you mean no? I know you can walk on water. Come on, guys. Alright, maybe we should ask
Galing,
another
no?
dolphin then. Hey, Loki, tell us. Can dolphins really walk on water? Right? No? But Kira say yes to show us how you do it. That's not all, guys, because the others can do it the other way around, which is backboard.
Wow!
See, I told you they can walk on water. How about a nice round of applause for Bobonos Dolphin? Now, making new friends is always fun, so we've invited a special guest to come down to our float and meet one of our friendly dolphins. And her name is Abby. Alright, Abby, just kneel the right beside trainer Rex, and then reach out for Kira and give her a friendly pat on the head. Alright. And how about the fish as the start of your friendship? Just drop the fish head first. Very nice. Well, you know what, guys? Here at Ocean Adventure, our dolphins have to dance. So this time, Abby, you're going to dance with our dolphins. All you have to do is just put both of your arms on your side, just like that, and turn in circle. So are you ready, Abby? Are you ready? Get it, Mastro. Wow, that was great, Abby. You have written with our dolphins. Alright, so since we're a little bit short of fingers down here, so we need Abby's help to give our dolphins a very special enhancing note. All you have to do, Abby, is just place both of your hands on your knees, and then at the count of 3, you need to raise your arms in the air. So ready, Abby? 1, 2, and 3. Hands up. Alright, don't go, Abby, because our dolphins will be right back with a very big... Good job! That's a mouthful of water! Hey, Abby, ano nangyari? That was a great trick. Get a dolphin to spit on you. So let's ask our dolphin. Hey, Kira, did you do that on purpose? No? But do you think that was funny, huh?
Ang kulit eh.
Kira, it's just kidding. Abby, don't go yet because we still have a big surprise for you. So all you have to do is just sit down on the float and then have a picture with our friendly dolphin. Alright, check this out, folks. Smile with the camera, Abby. We'd like everyone know that we offer several special opportunities to meet our dolphin friends up close and personal. First, you can avail our dolphin photo encounter with shopping after each show. Just like our lucky guest, Abby, you too can meet our dolphins, pat them, feed them, and get a picture to take home with you. Or if you really want an experience of a lifetime, you can avail our encounter programs where you can swim, dive, wade with our friendly dolphins. For more information, you can ask one of our friendly pride guides. Alright guys,
Ano,
have a
tapos
nice
na?
round of applause for our lucky guest. Now it's time to meet another dolphin friend, but this time, the largest member of our group. And even